Hmm?
It's the most wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. Be a season of all. The most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are